Alright guys, so if you want to get sales on your Amazon product by bringing external traffic to your Amazon store from outside of Amazon, then TikTok is one of the best marketplace out there. Because when it comes to internal traffic from Amazon, you might go towards the ranking of your Amazon product on all those keywords which are basically searched by people, or you might go for Amazon PPC, which bring traffic on your Amazon listing inside the Amazon website. Like all those people who are actually visiting Amazon.com or Amazon website, Amazon PPC just bring those people to your listing. So that will consider as an internal traffic. But if you talk about external traffic, that means you are bringing the traffic on your Amazon listing from any other social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, or TikTok. So when it comes to external traffic, the most popular platform nowadays out there is TikTok. Because as you have already known that TikTok is a video sharing platform, so it is very good for all those audience who love to watch videos. So if you share all the videos of your product, like how to use your product, how this product solves your problem, and what are the qualities of your product. So if you make all those videos like this and share all those videos on TikTok, so you can just get external traffic for all those people who are actually looking for your product, so they can land from TikTok to your Amazon listing and they can end up buying your product. So now the question is how you can create video, how you can post video, how you can get engagements, how you can get views, or how you can get traffic. So don't worry, I'm going to be sharing with you all these strategies that I basically follow in this video step by step. You don't need to shoot many videos, you don't need to edit many videos. I'm going to show you the simple and easy way that you can create a lot of video in just 1 or 2 hours, and then you have to just post one video every day on TikTok, so you will get views, engagement, and you will get traffic. So without any further delay, let's start the video. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels, and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you are interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on TikTok.com from my desktop. So let's take an example of laptop stand product for this video. So on TikTok, I basically search laptop stand and you can see that I'm seeing many videos for laptop stand. But the design of all those laptop stand is different from what I actually searching for. So you can see that this product is looking close enough to that product which I'm thinking to sell. So I can just open that video. And when I scroll down, so you need to work for 30 or 40 minutes on the TikTok page by searching different keywords like laptop stand or stainless steel laptop stand, or you can just shuffle all those keywords and you can just search and you can just see what videos are you getting for different keywords. So at last you need to shortlist 20 or maybe 50 videos. So you can just download all those videos and then you can just edit those videos with your music, your text, or your voice on TikTok, and then you can just schedule the post for the whole month. So don't worry, I'm gonna just explain you the strategy, but first we need to find the video. So you can see that this video I've just opened. So you can see that this is basically a product. This is a laptop stand, which is a compact stand. You can see that how this girl fold this stand and just pack this stand into a small bag, and you can see that this is a very lightweight aluminum product which you can just fold and you can just pack into a small bag and you can just carry anywhere. And if you want to use your laptop on a table or even on a bed, you can just take that product out of that bag, you can just unfold that product and you can just start using your laptop on this stand. So that will prevent your laptop to get heated up, and that will put your laptop into a very good position where you can just use your laptop and your laptop screen will be in front of your face. So you can see that in this video, this girl only demonstrate like the laptop is placed on that stand, and after using, she just close the laptop, she just fold the stand and she just put that stand into a bag. So this video is very good, we can shortlist. And one more idea to get these kind of videos, because there are many sellers, there are many TikTokers, or there are many AliExpress or Alibaba sellers who are selling this product in China. So you can just grab the video from there. So number one way to get the video to download all those videos like 10 to 50 videos is from TikTok, and number second way is from Facebook. So if you go on Facebook, type for the name of your product, like I have typed laptop stand here, and after typing you can see that the same product comes in search. So these are the images, so I have to click on videos because I need videos. So after clicking on the video, I can see there are a lot of videos. The videos are for same product, but every video is shooted by a different videographer or different seller, and every video is giving that different message. So you need to download all those videos, like 10 to 50 videos, and for example, if one video is for 1 minute, so you will get 50 minutes content. and then you need to cut down the 10 to 20 second parts. Like you have to make all those video in the form of TikTok video, like there must be a cool background, cool motivational or funny background behind that. And if you are showing the use of that product in this video, so you need to just put the text on the screen, like what feature are you showing. And if you're explaining the use of that product in your video, so you need to add the text, like what are you explaining. So in that way you can just cut 10 to 20 second parts from all those video, put the music, put the text, and your video will be ready. And you need to name your TikTok page as per your product name, like the laptop lifestyle or the laptop stand or anything like that. So if you create a page from that name, and if you post regularly a video of 10 to 20 seconds for the same product with different angles and showing the different feature in it, so your audience who follow your page on TikTok will be really interested in purchasing your product. So the second way of downloading the video is from Facebook. You can see that I have opened this video, I have opened this video, and let's see all those video, like if these video are attractive or not. In this video the product is same, but this video is different. Like they just unbox the stand from the box, and then they bring the box out of that bag, and then they unfold the stand, and then they just put the laptop on the stand. So this video is really great, and this video is of 47 seconds, and I believe you can make 3 to 4 videos out of it. Like 10 to 20 seconds or maybe 15 seconds. In one video you can just show the unboxing of that stand, and in second video you can just show how you can place the laptop on that stand, and in third video you can just explain the feature, like the material is aluminum and high quality, and this is a reliable product, this is a strong laptop stand, and so on. So you have to do some brainstorming, and you have to make 4 or 5 videos from this 1 minute video. And if you just watch another video, you can see that this video is of the same product, but this is a different video. This is a 3D model. So I hope you are getting my point. Like you have to download the video of the same product from many social media platforms. You can see that they are showing the material, they are showing the infographics here. So you need to download the video from many social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, or maybe AliExpress. So let's just try AliExpress. If I go on AliExpress, and if I type portable laptop stand, so I will be able to see, yeah, you can see that all the stands coming in front of me are the same. So I have to just open and close many listings, and I have to check like which listing is having a premium content, which listing is having a good photos and good video. So you can make many videos for the photo slideshow as well, like many people do in TikTok. Like they just make a slideshow of the photos, and they just put a background music in that, and they just put up some text. So if I go on this listing, you can see that this listing is having very good images, but unfortunately no video. So maybe this seller is not having a video, but other seller will be. So you need to open and check each and every listing here, because it is 100% possible that many of these sellers are having video and many of these are not. So you can just check the video from here, you can just check the video from Facebook, you can just check the video from TikTok. So after collecting all those video of your product, you have to just split all those video into 100 or maybe 200 or maybe 500 videos, and then you need to schedule all those video. Like you need to post one video daily on your TikTok page, and then you will be able to see how much the engagement rate and the liking of your page will increase day by day, which will make your product a brand on TikTok, and you can slowly start getting more and more traffic and more sale. So this method is a slow method, and this method required a lot of work. But if you want to go for a fast method and you don't want to create many video ads, you just want to run the TikTok ads and you just want to get sales from your first day, then you need to watch my other video in which I have explained you in detail like how you can run your TikTok ads, like how you can put money in your TikTok ads to generate sales. So this video was for the free method in which you can just start posting your video of your product on your page, and then you can just start getting organic sales after some time. But if you are not willing to wait, if you are having money in your pocket, if you want to put money in TikTok ads and then generate sale, so you can just watch my other video for TikTok ads. I will put the link of that video in the description of this video. But this video is for free organic traffic, not any paid ad. So let's go again on TikTok. So there are many videos of the same product. So you can see that how easy and how super cool it is. Like you can just spy on the videos of your competitor and you can just copy and paste that video. You can just copy the flow of that video. Like you will be having the complete idea of what your competitor are doing to get sales. So you can just copy and paste that same idea, that same strategy, and you can also get sales like your competitors. So let's open that one. You can see that this is a different video of the same laptop stand. You can see that this video is having a text below and the product, you can see that they are showing the weight of that product, like this product is lightweight. So there will be a countless feature and countless points that you can just tell your audience about that product. Like it is lightweight, it is having a premium material, it will make your life easier, it's a super cool product. So you can just make many videos. I hope you're getting my point. So you can see that this is the same product but different video, having a music only and having a text only. So if I just pause that video, if I just open the second video, you can see that again the same product. You can see that they are just unboxing, they are just unfolding that stand, they are just putting the laptop on it, and they are just showing the feature. Because I'm a computer techie guy and I basically use my laptop 8 to 10 hours a day. So if you ask me, if you ask for my honest opinion, I would love to buy this product because I'm using my laptop right now, and this product is really eye-catchy for me. So for all those people who are tech lover, who are a lover of the laptop, they would definitely consider to buy this product. So the same strategy you have to put on each and every product. Like if your product is for kitchen related, like if your product is a kitchen gadget that can make any task of your kitchen easier, so you can just find out all those videos for that particular product from Pinterest, TikTok, Facebook and any other platform, and you can just compile all those videos. You can just cut down and split all those videos, and you can just start posting all those videos on TikTok regularly. So you will be getting a traffic from your TikTok page, and you can just increase the sales on your Amazon. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned a great thing today. So if you really like the video and if this video really helps you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can watch more videos like this in future. And if you want to discuss anything regarding your e-commerce business for me, so you can just chat with me anytime from the link in the description below. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.